S&M dolls, and we're back with another video. So today,
what are you on your brakes for?
Niggas can't drive, but
why are you going so slow?
Sorry, y'all. So today's July 4th. We was just in the house today chilling. So right now we're hungry, we're starving. We're about to go to Hook and Reel, which is a good seafood.
Going far is not
You said, I don't think so. Does this car usually do that? No. We're about to get some seafood. We're gonna get crabs and shrimp. I'm so excited. I love it. Damn, Mimi. So today we're gonna talk about how.
But is that a police?
Where? Girl, you're scared. Oh, that's the drug dealers. Drug dealer. Dope dealer.
Alright, so what lane I do the bit?
This one.
Move your arm.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Right here.
You gotta move your what's it called?
My hand?
Yeah.
Alright, sorry y'all. So, guys piss me off. Like, they can't communicate at all. At all. Y'all cannot communicate what y'all want. This guy said, you don't fuck with me. I said, how? Because I don't text you. Because I don't text him, so I don't want him? That's not true. What? No, for real, like, they be blowing me. Like, how you gonna say what I want? Like, I wanted him, but I guess my communication skills is bad, but it's not really bad because I be texting him, just not when he wants me to, and he's inconsistent. So I do not like guys that are inconsistent at all.
Inconsistent.
You're inconsistent. You don't show any attention. So what you want me to do? Ooh, smells like.
Yeah, she was smoking.
Woo! I want to drink today.
Y'all can do that. Like, if the cops are behind you, they have a reason to pull you over. You know what I mean? Woo, this car.
But back to niggas. Niggas ain't shit. That's all I gotta say. If you find the right nigga, keep him. Hold him
Y'all
tight.
do that.
Keep him. Hold him tight. Because females like me
You gotta help me get over here, baby.
can't find. Huh?
You gotta help me get over here.
Babe, you just got new glasses. Ah! I'm scared. Y'all, I be driving. Hold on. I be driving all the time, so I'm not used to her driving.
You got it. Oh, nobody's gonna be behind you after this. Oh. To the second one?
Yeah.
I'm
Child. So I think I'm about to get a bottle today. I need a bottle.
It's like hot down here.
Is it? I don't know what to say to you. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna vlog again when we reach our destination. I don't know if y'all can hear me right now because we on the highway, but bye. Hey y'all, so today is a new day. I didn't vlog the other day. I forgot, I'm not gonna lie. But today today I'm shipping packages. I have like 7 orders today. So we're about to go to the post office and I'm gonna ship these off to my beautiful customers. And they're about to rock the shit out of these. It's hot. Please ignore me, like literally, I said fuck it. I just wanna drop these off for my customers. I got my chauffeur driving me right now. Like now my sister's driving because I don't want to. So we're going to the post office. Hopefully the line is not long because every time I go there the line is long. So blessed that people are buying from me. I'm about to reach 10K. We're almost to 10K, y'all. Like I need 500 more.
Hey. Hi.
I need 500 more followers to get to 10K. And then it's up from there. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep hustling. Gonna keep making new items, new products, all that.
You go.
I should have vlogged yesterday. It was so nice. Y'all, we went to this restaurant. It was beautiful. They had cute drinks and everything. The scenery was cute, but I forgot to vlog. I might vlog next time. I'm gonna vlog tonight though. Today we are going to this little bar we always go to. Our friends work there, so we're about to just drink. Hopefully get some free drinks because the niggas left us there. They love us.
I want that car.
I like. I thought that was a what's it called? Oh, I got something to say. Scorpio men, they're crazy. Let me tell you what happened. Oh, I gotta think first. What happened? So, this guy was hitting me up on Instagram. Yeah, we exchanged numbers. We're FaceTiming, all that, right? He asked me, so who you talking to right now? You talking to anybody? I said, I mean, I'm only talking to like 2 people, but I don't really want them. He said, oh, I can't fuck with you. What? Okay, but you're still texting me and calling me, all that stuff. So then he said, you know what, you playing, bruh. You acting childish. What? I'm acting childish because I told you the truth that I'm talking to 2 other people, but I'm not taking you serious. We just met. So he said, bye, delete my number. What? Okay, I'm gonna delete your number. That's fine. So I'm not responding to him, right? He comments on my picture on Instagram. Then he has my Snapchat. He sent me a video. But you telling me to delete your number. So which one is it? Because baby, I know you want this. But let me tell you, you're crazy. What? How you gonna say delete my number and then the next day send me stuff and try to talk to me? I gotta go for that because he just blew me. He blew me. Scorpio man, stay away, okay? I need some Leos, Cancer men, come my way. Scorpio man, come my way. No, Cancer. Capricorn is what I meant. Capricorn, come my way because Scorpio man, y'all crazy and I don't need it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna vlog again.
I don't know why.
Hey, y'all. We're back.
Hey guys. Now what are you doing?
So we're about to go to the bar. We're about to go to our friend's job. Hopefully get some free liquor. This is sad, but it's true. Sorry. My eyes look so pretty right here. Our eyes are so cute. All right, y'all. So I'm about to drive this big ass van to the bar. Hopefully I don't get too drunk. If you can't, if I do, damn. Let's just put the scarf on. Y'all like my scarf? I'm wearing it backwards, but it says S&M Dolls. All right, I'm about to drive. We're late. We're really late. Happy hour's over. All right, bye. Hey y'all, we're back. So we about to go into the bar right now. Look at this hair, pretty. Oh, she tatted too. What's that say? I don't know.
Says don't play.
She always gotta say some shit.
Let me hear the song one more time. I'll beat everybody up.
I just want to get drunk. I don't care.
Why not get too drunk?
Who can't?
I got you, my nigga.
Tell them to pull up for
Yes,
me.
Dylan.
I told you I'm wearing this. I said I don't care for a man.
Why,
For what?
Sally, why?
Now you wanna?
But we're going where our destination
Who
is.
cares? But who's gonna check me? Really? Who's gonna check me? Even though you checked me,
You don't take that shit off.
even though you checked me, who's gonna check me?
I'm not playing with you.
S&M Dolls.
Cause It's not even on right.
Okay, I'm about to take it off. Damn.
Oh, you was gonna wear it.
Where your mask at? Where your mask at? You have to walk in and wear your mask.
Since when did I do that? Have I ever done that?
I ain't got time.
Huh?
Hold on. That's why my mom be getting on her ass. Fuck 12. Alright, come on. Fuck 12, fuck 12. Come on.
I'm gonna walk in and act like I don't see her.
I hear Brianna.
To do what? I did get a cleaning.
Hey. What? Why is it so packed like this?
Why is it so packed inside?
Girl.
Where you at? On the side?
I don't know. We could try to go to the bar. Alright, y'all. We're at the bar. It's packed. It's packed with stuff. 6 feet where? 6 feet where? So we're about to get our drinks. She looks pissed, but when she gets some drinks, she'll be good. Oh. You okay? We finally got our drink. She's not paying you no mind. She's on her phone. What the fuck am I good for? Like, what the fuck? Why are they playing this right now? I'm hungry. Okay. Over there dancing. It's packed today. I don't know why. I need some young boy. I need something else than this. So why did our friend who works here just give us a drink? She wasn't to get fucked up, but babe, we just finished our drink.
Hey, sexy lady, won't you back it up? Go got the back out, back it up. Get up, ladies. Get up.
She's feeling it. She's feeling it. Yo, she's lit off of one drink. Whatever they put in here is dangerous. Dangerous. It's bad. What? Anything you want to say? Let me put it right here. It's not gonna sit. No, I'm not. I'm not driving. He's trying to make me drive.
If you're not driving, I can't drink this.
Mimi. Mimi. Are you ready? I love it.
Can I get water, please?
That's our friend that works here. Y'all, this drink is bomb. I don't know what's in this, but it's bomb. Yo, I'm hungry. I don't care. I'm hungry. It's so good. Saucy as fuck. This is my second drink and I'm already lit. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. Are we twins, y'all? We're not twins. She'll be recording us. That's the end of my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye. Love y'all. Bye.